Assalamu alaikum sir, this is Sayyid Hassan Ahmad, BBA student. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Hadith number 3, Pillars of Islam. Ibn Umar reported, the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, بني الإسلام على خمس على أن يعبد الله ويكفر بما دونه وإقام الصلاة وإيتاء الزكاة وحج البيت وصوم رمضان. Translation: Islam is built upon five: to worship Allah and to disbelieve in what is worshipped besides Him, to establish prayer, to give charity, to perform Hajj, pilgrimage to the house, and to fast the month of Ramadan. Hadith number 5, Minding our own business. Ali ibn Hussein reported, the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, Inna min husni islamil mar'i tarka'u ma'ala ya'nihi. Translation: Verily, from the perfection of Islam is that a person leaves what does not concern him. Source: Sunan al-Tirmidhi 2318. Great Hassan. Hadith number 7, Good manners. Abu Huraira reported, the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, من كان يؤمن بالله واليوم الآخر فليقل خيرا أو ليصمت ومن كان يؤمن بالله واليوم الآخر فليكرم جاره ومن كان يؤمن بالله واليوم الآخر فليكرم ضيفه. Translation: Whoever believes in Allah and the last day, let him speak goodness or remain silent. Whoever believes in Allah and the last day, let him honor and his neighbor. Whoever believes in Allah and the last day, let him honor his guest. That's all from my side. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Allah Hafiz.